3, 2, 1, 0. Liftoff of the mighty Delta IV Heavy rocket with NASA's Parker Solar Probe, a daring mission to shed light on the mysteries of our closest star, the Sun.
$3.8 million miles may not sound that close, but if I put the Sun and the Earth 1 meter apart, Parker Solar Probe would be 4 centimeters from the Sun. It's the closest human-made object to a star and also the fastest, traveling at 430,000 miles an hour. I mean, we're flying through the atmosphere of a star. That's not easy to do. It's something we've never done before.
This is our first close encounter with a star, and it's really just amazing. This area that Parker is going into.
That solar interaction, that space weather, those billions of tons of material that the sun can throw at us interacts with our power grids, can interact with our technology. So it's really important to understand them at their source and how they get all that energy.
When we were thinking about designing a spacecraft to go to someplace that had never been before, and it's actually going there to study the sun, and so you're kind of saying, what am I designing? What are the environments it's designing for?
It has to go from the deepest, coldest space to a very warm area and keep everything working at a little bit above room temperature.
It's designed to go to such an extreme environment. You look at it, and it doesn't quite look like most other spacecraft. The whole thing is designed such that the heat shield is taking most of the brunt of the heat of the sun. The heat shield will be at about 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's protecting the spacecraft. So the spacecraft's actually basically at room temperature.
It's the only star in our galaxy that we can actually go visit, and that's what makes it so magical.
By flying within the atmosphere of the sun, we are basically tracing the fingerprints of the physical mechanisms of the sun. We now view the sun in a different way. When you look at images from Parker Solar Probe, oh my goodness, they are extremely, extremely complex.
How the solar wind is made, about how the sun works, about some of these fundamental things that are going on.